GlamFam, how are you? Linwood here with the bestie, Melina.
Hey!
And we have a special surprise for you. So in Allison and my recent 100K Q&A video, we had a couple people ask if we were going to be doing some giveaways. And I told you, you got it, dude. So I got together with my pal, my bestie, Melina. We are like siblings.
We are.
We fight like siblings.
We do. 17 years of friendship does that to you, so.
It does. So she actually has a YouTube channel as well. And so I said, you know what, if I'm going to do a giveaway, I don't want it to just benefit my subscribers. I would love for it to benefit someone that I love as well. And so we decided to come up with 4 weeks.
4 weeks.
Of giveaways.
Yes.
So we have pulled together our resources and we are doing some bomb giveaways, you guys. So you want to go ahead and show them the first week?
So the first week giveaway, this beautiful, beautiful wig.
Yes.
Lynn's going to tell some specs on it because, you know, I don't know a lot about wigs.
Yes. So this is a 14-inch bob wig. It already came cut in this shape. It has never been worn. It is a stock wig that goes for $180. So it still has the lace on the front. It's also got a lace back, plain sides. Can't help you everywhere.
Brand new. He just pulled it out of the bag as I got here.
Just pulled out the bag and flat ironed it just so you guys could see the hair. Give it a shake real quick so they can see. Yes, that could be you. That could be you, child. So we've got this wig here. Of course, it's 100% virgin hair, no color on it whatsoever, no chemical treatments on it whatsoever. So if you get it and you want to color it, permanent, whatever, it's all up to you.
I'm sorry, I'm over here just stroking it. This hair feels amazing. I almost wanted to just throw it on for this video, but...
So I know by now you're probably wondering, how do we win the wig? Well, here's how. So Melina, which video is it that we want to send them to?
We want you to go ahead to my how to change the shape of your brow video.
I'll link it in the eye and the top. I think it's the right corner over here. So the top right corner, I'll link it up there and in the description box.
And we want you to go ahead and comment on the video. You can comment anything. Give me some feedback. I'm new to this. What I'm doing good, what I could change, what you think would be helpful, and also make sure that you put that GlamFam sent you.
Yes, that's how we know that you're entered in for the contest, and then we can kind of select a winner based off of the comment and the feedback that you give. And you've got to be subscribed to her channel.
Subscribe.
So, quick rules here. You've got to be subscribed to her channel. You got to go check out the video and leave a comment letting her know what you think, whether it's good, bad, indifferent, whatever you feel like she could do better, whatever the case may be, because honestly, it's great for GlamFam to be growing, and Menaree's channel is growing as well, but at the same time, I feel like it's something where you grow so much better when you have feedback from your viewers.
Yes.
So to me, I wanted to be able to help her grow in numbers, but also help her grow in skill, and that's where you guys come in.
And I love the interaction with people when they leave comments. I love being able to reply back to you guys, to comment, to hear what you guys think of the videos. I love that interaction.
Indeed. So, if you guys want to win this beauty, give it one more shake.
One more shake. Yes, girl. Yes.
Look at the shine. We don't even have it up close. Hold on. Let's move it up close so you can see the shine. Look at that. There's no camera tricks here. Look, I'm still regular ugly next to this. This could be you. Look at that. Very slight wrist movement. So if you guys want to win this, make sure you go check that video out. We'll link it down below and in the eye in the top right corner. Until next time, you guys, take care. God bless. Stay glam. And
Bye.
you know we love you, boo. Bye.